Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Yahoo Mail account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the Account Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select how you want to receive your verification codes. You can choose to receive them via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Yahoo Mail account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your recovery options updated for added security.